In this video, we will create this extremely simple 4-step animated infographic. Let's start. Switch on the guidelines, as these will help to align the shapes easily. Add a circle shape and place at the top half of screen. Remove outline by making shape outline as none. Create 3 more duplicate shapes using Ctrl+D and place them as shown in video. Change fill color as it will help in aligning of circles. Once all the shapes are aligned, select all the circles and select Fragments option under Merge Shape menu. Use Union option under Merge Shape menu to merge 2 fragments and create shapes as shown in video. Add rectangle shape and place it at the center of slide on top of first circle. Increase the length to overlap circle. Copy the same and place next to bottom circle. Send rectangle shape to back of circle. Copy the rectangles, rotate them horizontally and place next to the circles as shown in video. Extend the length to touch the slide edge. Select all the circle and add outline with white color. Also increase the border width. Skeletal of the infographic is ready. We can add the colors now. Add the relevant comments or text to infographic. Group all the contents of each section together so that animation can be applied to each group. Select each group and apply desired animation from Animations tab. Here is the final output. Do like, subscribe and share if you like the video.